Good morning, parents. I just wanted to give a quick update about how we may be able to solve some of our computer issues. Our computers need to be updated regularly, and so sometimes if we don't have updates, it is preventing our computers from connecting to different links and doing different things. So the way for us to update is to come down here into this little search bar down here, and you're just going to type the word update, and then this will pop up for you, and you're just going to click on the check for updates. That will bring you into the system update, and here you will have three things that you will need to do. You're going to check for updates, so you will click on that so that it will run any updates. When that has finished, you will then click check online for updates and update, and then when that has finished, you'll have to come down here to this one, the feature update to Windows 10, and download and install this one. Now here's the trick. When you restart your computer, you will need to be on the USD 475 Wi-Fi. So that will require that you be in a school parking lot. Do you have to go to your home school? No. If you live closer to Morris Hill, then obviously you would go to Morris Hill. But if you are off post and you live closer to an off post school, you would just have to pull into a parking lot and connect to their Wi-Fi to run your updates. And then there is a possibility when your updates are run that you will have to restart your computer more than one time. So some parents are finding that when they restart their computer, they're having to do it 2 or 3 times to get all those updates installed and running and doing what they need to do. So one way that you can help your student would be to go ahead and check for those updates and then install those updates. You may have to sit in the parking lot while they're installing, and it might take a few minutes. Just don't let your computer go to sleep, and everything will work out well. If you have any issues, please let your teacher know and they can get to me. Thank you.